So Allie's doing this awesome BOSU one-leg airplane. And this was her request because she said to me, remember Linda when I couldn't even stand on that thing? And today there's mastery. Look at her. Gorgeous.
There's no talking.
Oh, what? You just talked. You just talked. What are you saying? You can't say there's no talking. How was that for you, Allie?
It was good. I'm glad I could do it now.
Yes.
I used to not be able to even stand on it without holding on to you and be like, don't let go.
And this time you're like, don't touch me.
I can do it on my own.
Yes, back off, lady. These are the proud moments that people get to celebrate when they master something that previously was kind of inconceivable and beyond their reach. And now we've got Allie demonstrating you can do this too.